The purpose of this session is to discuss functionality added to both the batch QC results as well as the component QC results to allow the lab to record the number of times a sample or a batch goes through the lab. In this case, I've got the batch QC results screen open, which is our standard screen that's been around for many years under production control batch QC results. I've brought up a batch number. The new field that we're referring to is here on number of samples. This is a number that can be incremented by a user, a 1, 2, 3, 4. It can even be decremented for that matter. The purpose behind this field is to allow the lab to increment at their leisure the number of times that this batch or sample has come through the lab for testing purposes. The idea behind it is that the more times a sample or a batch comes through the lab, the more expensive it is for the company manufacturing the product, because typically if it has to come through multiple times, that means we're making adjustments or changes to the batch, making it have to cycle back through the quality lab. This field is saved on the batch QC header table and could be reported and viewed through VicinityView. Also know that this same field also exists in the component lot QC results screen. So same functionality, you can increase it, decrease it, etc. It's really up to the user to determine how they want to use this, but the reason we wanted to provide this was to give better metrics to how efficiently or how effectively a batch, or for that matter raw material, is making it through the QC lab. And a metric that would make sense is show me the number of times that this formula is going through the lab each time we make it. If you get a higher than normal occurrence on a specific formula, then it might make sense to review that formula and make changes or tweaks to that formula. We hope this helps, and we'll talk to you soon.